Hi there, this is Clement Fernier from Opus Technologies, and we are here at InfoComm Vegas to show you our assistive listening solutions. And so here we're going to review our AuraGate broadcaster, Auracast broadcaster. So Auracast is a new Bluetooth protocol allowing to broadcast audio on 100 meter to an unlimited number of receivers, earbuds, headset, cochlear implant, and hearing aid. So we're going to start with the AuraGate Lite, which is a broadcaster for medium-sized room. So 40 meter coverage, line input, mic input, USB-C and SPDF. So this system is perfect again for your medium-sized room if you don't need like Dante or 100 volt inputs. Then we've got the AuraGate Classic. So on top of the AuraGate Lite feature, you have like over here 100 volt input, and we can broadcast on up to 100 meter. All of them working fully local, so not invasive into your network. And then we have the AuraGate Net that would be available in Q4 this year. So AuraGate Net come with a PoE input, Dante, and a redundancy, so with power alimentation and analog input. So in case your RG45 cable would be cut, you would still be backed up with these connections. This one, we can do daisy chaining, meaning that we can have up to 4 devices connected all together, covering a maximum distance of 400 meters. Great for a stadium, big venues, and so on. So with all of our system, we can broadcast multiple streams. So we're gonna have like 37 channels within Auracast, which leaves you plenty of options for translations, for example, or hearing impaired or visually impaired streams. Well, a lot of options thanks to Auracast. If you want to know more about our solution, feel free to go on our website, www.opus-technologies.fr.